Amo basomi ya mwanchu murigeri begetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo bwansu bwo mugusingwe gena litkoria ondigendrete ko balitoerera kigima nanene no gendrete kwego kya kubwatia emiro billion sigetaseni kya Ndizi TV ekerorire litkoria Jumatatu kitariki 24 chomotienyi oikomi omwaka bwechibwibere na 2022 mwanchu murigeri ya wiki yega ense ya Kenya nigo erachie kuriko achinga kiboigo aba 90 barabi bagosemiwa igoro yerichiko riense ya Kenya kingakingia kero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere kerongo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia erionko manyubuna nara ya yankwariganiretie asenchera ere yubwenge yorona bakogendra gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tobwate wetera Ndizi TV News nabogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News asensemere ya Twitter naboigo ase website yaito tonyore wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre kumanya mankiri tariane Everline Osero kabana nchwe komerio. Mwanchu murigeri bonongo kwariganito chake Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ere yobwenge munyakerogo bweke umbe kya baigereri beri chiko Law Society of Kenya Osero sayarwa Southwest Gideon Nyambati nigatebire na abantu korwa sensemeyo mbache konyoro bosemia igoro yerichiko aya nigago cha chingaki ense ya Kenya kurigereria herichiko ase eikeyega.
In every year, we do organize Legal Awareness Week and the Legal Clinic to inform members of the public on the rights which they're supposed to receive from members of the judiciary and RSK. It will run for 5 high court stations under the Kisii, Southwest branch. That's Nyamira, Kisii, Kirigoris, Migori, and Omabay, respectively. And all members of the public who maybe have an issue to do with the legal advice, you'll be given free of charge. At the end of the week, on Friday, we're likely to visit the Manga Children's Home and the Kisii prison, where we give legal services and also give some kind of gifts to kids who are accompanying their parents in Kisii Women Prison.
Abantu bamenyete no burema anene kurwa sense mo gose ward ya Ibeno nigo bagenderete konyora obokonyi kurwase omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati oyo ochakira omurobero bwo kubarikya nabo igo kwena na ebitanda ase enyagetari ya Ibeno unenchire yemo yoko bakonya eriyo babe bako igenderere bya ase amagimabo murobeyo nigo genderete asense meyo awase ebaterura nonya nabo obutumiki bwa mariogo yogotindia nabo igo ebintu binde nabyo nene bikoirera abantu bande konyora guse konyora imebasokano kuberera barabo gutwara oborema.
Neiba kokoru lero nerere ya maana sana gose muhimu ndatebe nechigokonya balemavu ase bintu binde binge turabe to go expound keremu gochanya gitari assessment yege gokoru bateka note binego chikogokonya ngoro ya drug abuse swaito ni kupata na msawazo wote nini kwa mantaka manene we are still ita mantaka kuliwe ita aso kunywa maji abande baso nenda
Abarai korwase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya gati abo mugavana bwe county ya Siaya James Orengo nigo bagenderete komochia serikali ya Kenya kwanza asikire gote abuna terikorigereria omokenyo kawaida korende nigo bagokora gosibarigete chinchira cyo wekonya barabuka abanyene okwana chinga kibaikiranete aso musangirikano obwa masaba sensemo usase kanisa ya Lolwe Deliverance me ye county ya Kisumu niga barayabo batebire buna abakenya mbachiko gendera guchandika onya serikali teri gochia kubarigereria na monekero baganirie ababwatani bande kurwase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya kugendera kubwatana eriyo kotwara eriyo yerimo.
The signs are showing that we are going to have more suffering, where you have a government which does not believe in subsidizing the poor. It does not believe in subsidizing those who cannot have a square meal. I can tell you that that kind of politics and economics will not get us anywhere. You have seen this government of hustlers where people are measured in billions. You cannot be able to be a member of this government because you cannot have those billions.
Life has become unbearable for Kenyans. And the question is whether it will be unbearable for 5 years or for 10 years. When you look at the fight against corruption, it has been abandoned. In fact, corruption has become a virtue rather than a vice in this country.
Lazima tuendelee kushikana, tukae tumeungana kama mlengo wa Azimio, ndiposa tuweze kukosoa serikali tukiwa tuko united.
Ekiombege kurigereria obokoreri bwa abanyanyimbo imense ya Kenya aipoa nigo giakwanire igoro goitwa kwa abantu n'abanyanyimbo okukwabere okoenekirwa ase chingaki nyinge okwana nabaliki amangana sensemo ya Nkongi me umucho Nairobi nigo John Waiganjo oyoro mu board member abereka goteba abuna mochando monene bakonyora ntubutaigwana na negati yabo bisa kurwase ekiombe ky'abanyanyimbo na goteba buna barabwo ekiombe gya aipoa nigo kebwate emeroberio yo gotuka abanyanyimse ngencho emeroberenye gose emerobereyo batanyare wasiokia anene gochiase chinyomba choboraria.
First of all, I want to say that in the standing orders, they're nowhere. And also in the manner of formation, there's no established procedure. And that is why they appear secretive. You know, you'll hear of a unit, but you don't know what that unit has been formed for. For instance, now you know the anti-terror unit. That's an establishment that is known by Kenyans. You know the tourism one. You know there are those that are properly established, but there are those others that have been formed whose places are known, and the only people who can expose them is the authority. So whenever we seek certain information, and that's why I said that we hardly get cooperation from the members of the National Police Service, because those are the questions that we seek. Who do they report to? Who are they? Who are the members of those units? So those are the issues. We also carry our investigations in an camouflaged way. We do not expose what we are doing to the media. You also understand our officers also need protection because we are dealing with the police. So investigating the police is not a walk in the park. So we try to also cover our investigators. So the fact that we hardly talk about it doesn't mean we don't investigate.
Egati yabaraikorwa se county ya Baringo nigo baburiria serikali kogendera kubeka emeroberio eisaine yokoenekia buna oborendi bwabekirwe asensemeyo ayankobwatikana n'obusagani obwo bwabeire bokoenekiwa koirera abantu gosiria amagima bokoranga no county commissioner wensemeyo nigateire na babekire emeroberio eisaine yogochia koenekia buna nkubwatira nabale nige kosi kyoborendi koenekia buna bali bonsi babwate chibunduki babeire bakubekwa byara ne chibunduki ekyo ni wa ase chibwenerete.
Tunaomba kwamba hiyo kasi iendelee na wasiende tu kutafuta ile bunduki ambao wakaidi walichukua ya serikali, bali wafanye disarmament yote, wachukue kila bunduki ambayo raia wanayo. Sababu saa hii mashule zingine haijafunguliwa kwa sababu ya hiyo mambo ya usalama. So tungeomba kwamba kasi hiyo iendelee. Na isikuwe tu kazi ya wiki moja ama wiki mbili, bali iwe kazi ambayo ipangwe ya miaka miwili mpaka watu wetu wakae katika manyumba zao, walime mashamba mwaka mbili na mashule zetu ipate kuendelea.
Niko na siku 3 ambazo zimebaki na mmeniomba leo niombe wale commanders wa operation waongeze masiku. Sitaomba kabla ya kuona hatua imeanza. Hatua ikianza hivi nitaenda kunyenyekea kwao niwaombe tuongezee angalau siku 3 ama siku kadhaa, lakini tunataka ndani ya siku 3 hiyo bunduki iwe imefika Chemolingot.
Egati ya barai kurwase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya kurwase Orogongo rwa Western anene ase county ya Bungoma nigo bagosireirie gotinenia obochorio bokewekirgo kyobo seneta obwo burobeire okorekana tariki 5 cy'umutienyi 12 omwaka yega korengana nabo nigo batebire buna yabire gakorokana buna abarai abange gosebina byiri bibwatiraneti abarai abange byabire bigotuguterware nabono nigo baganirie omobunke Osiris ya John Waluke kobwato kwa elio korwa chinga kinyororo bochorio bwo hochia gokorekana.
Umeona Mheshimiwa Ruto alipoingia ofisi watu wengi wamekuwa na makeses including Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Kwa heshima anaondolewa sasa mashtaka ya bilioni 7. Yule chuma wa Kenya Power aliondolewa mashtaka ya milioni 400. Aisha Juma akaiba ameondolewa mashtaka sasa ni mweupe kama pamba. In the same spirit sisi tunaomba hao kama ni kuondoa mashtaka muondoe mashtaka ya kila mtu including John Koi Waluke. We are not children of a lesser God. Sisi Waluya tusipokuja pamoja hakuna mtu atatuheshimu, na tusipoongea hii maneno hakuna mtu ataongea. Watu wetu wanaendelea kunyanyaswa.
Kobwatkana no mochando bwomurakera naboigo encharo yogenderete kwenekegwa ase chinsemo meyense ya Kenya nigo omunyakerogo bwekyombe kya maendeleo ya wanawake Kenya ra mwikali aboriria abakenya kobwatia ogochika kumurai bwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto kwenekia buna kero yomo osimekire emetewetani chimisato.
Na tunataka tupande miti. Nilikuwa Mashujaa kabla sijaondoka, nilitoka Mashujaa na Excellency Dr. William Ruto akasema kila mtu atapanda miti 300. Sasa tunangoja Your Excellency serikali ikae chini, ministers wakae chini, msichana wa environment rafiki yetu tuanze kupanda miti. Sasa sisi hatupigani na mambo mingi. We are supporting the government and that is where we are. We don't struggle as an institution because it is our policy that we support the government. Sasa tuko hapa, wale wako upande ile na rais mwenyewe anjue sisi maendeleo ya wanawake. Tulisimama tukaongea mengi.
Na asesemo ye chigosori nigo ekeminano yengo yoki abetege koenekiwa aigati ye timu ya Ndizi TV na boigo aboroki abengo yoime ya Kisii gose coaches aigosori abetege kogosori wa asegeti kyanyatieko ase timu ekyo kyabete chikorwa makari okobekana egorie yemo aseyemo nyana bonigo chitimu echichonsi kyabete chikogokera omuroberio yo na otebabuna na indemba chieko yoiranera muroberio ogosirwa nigetaseni kya Ndizi TV.
Ndizi TV yabere kwende station ingia ase abantu munantu okabantu abande twasire chinyasore ime abande chingaki munobono tange turangao okoba yebintu muneyo Ndizi TV yanjire gotoretera mpira munoyo twanyare goekonya ine twanyare gocha gwisuku magaiga torena giturasike mutu azin kwa play game imekuwa hapa imekuwa game nzuri na game safi tumecheza tumeizi vizuri kila mtu nimeona ameenjoy tumeenda 1-1 na hiyo ni molani asama litangoro ku light red oyori coach ya Gusii Starlet na Nyamira Football Club na ndani nje chairman ya Kisii Football Coaches Association leo tukori leo twabwata chief friendly twakira na Ndizi TV mwanzo gocho gosone chirefari ego mpiro bero muya utatiga bono abantu banu bakorete mazoezi buya lakini I think they have done at their best level. Na Ndizi TV ndo chimugwate timu ingia. Ndaga tamulenge Isano musaiya bana ba Seligi.
Pia mwana sana Seligi tanguruku Alan Diop, mchezaji kurwase timu ya coaches ya Kisii County. In fact hapa muraba ba Ndizi TV nabaya batemiro gotominyoki mbabwate experience yake lakini rende tuwabaire experience yelie saine esengencho ntungwa katole league togo sabe management ye nevalete se league rinde tunyale ko batukuminyokani buya bia mono sana na ende mogendera igo ono lienge ngakimo cha koirana na omukobogoli chigoli neguni
Omanchu murigeri bono kurwa sense mu chigosori amange asenjira yubikirano kwenyora ekero erara gense yemo nabaigo Chinsa isato cyamagoroba kuri ndendo endete gukwarganiria amange inendora kwenyora senjira yubinyekero kirarage Chinsa 10 ekero ngo wakirangambia mono asogochora kurigereria Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bomo Gusii nabakondera gotonyora ase website yaito wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke ase omutandao Twitter @ndizitv news esemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV news digital nabaigo ensemere ya YouTube tonyore wetra Ndizi TV news elio togendere gukumanyia manke gukoneria oborigereri borobya nabaigo omubasoro moterero nigo wakabere na nche Everline Osero.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii. Chuo cha anuai cha Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology kilicho mjini Kisii wana courses mbalimbali katika taaluma ya kuwawezesha vijana. Wanapeana courses kama hairdressing and beauty therapy, plumbing, electrical installation miongoni mwa zinginezo. Katika sehemu ya biashara wana